Piles and fissure treatment in India transformed. First patented plant-based spray treatment kit for piles and fissure, PiloKit. First combination of medicines validated at the molecular level. First touch-free combination with the power of 3 medicines in PiloKit: PiloSpray and tablets PiloTab and ConstiTab. First medicines recommended by doctors at India's largest Proctology hospital chain, Healing Hands Clinic. 2 lakh plus happy patient stories. 3 patented clinically proven plant-based medicines. 4 publications in reputed international journals. 5 symptoms: pain, pricking and burning, itching, bleeding, swelling and constipation. And 1 safe, effective and patient-friendly solution, PiloKit. PiloKit, India's plant-based piles and fissure treatment solution for the world.